Okay, so the first app in today's video is called as Quick Look. Now basically you can consider this as the Windows media player on steroids. So how this works is you basically select any photo or video and then just press the space bar on your keyboard and boom, almost instantly you'll be able to preview your photos or videos. Now you must be thinking that doesn't Windows already come with a default media player, but here's the thing, it's actually really slow. So just to show you, here's a side-by-side comparison between the default media player and Quick Look. And as you can see, Quick Look just previews the files much more faster. So yeah, it's a great app. Definitely give it a try. It's on the Microsoft Store. I'll drop a link down below. But up next is an application called as PC Manager. So this is an official app by Microsoft which is unfortunately not available on the Microsoft Store, but it's definitely worth downloading. So this app actually does a bunch of things. So for example, if we click on boost, it will clean up our temporary files and reduce our RAM usage. Well, next up we can actually do a health checkup. So this will basically check if your computer has any virus or any other potential issues. Now apart from that, if we click on storage management, we actually have a bunch of really useful options over here. So first of all, we can actually do a deep cleanup. So this will basically delete your old Windows update files, your old Windows Defender reports, and apart from that, the web cache. So yeah, without a doubt, this is actually super useful. But wait, I'm just getting started. Now if you click on the second option, this will basically help you to clean up your C drive and get some space. And by the way, if you click on the third option, this will basically show you the list of the least used apps. So yeah, you can actually go ahead and uninstall it and save a ton of space over here as well. Now apart from that, we have process management. So this will basically show you the list of tools, softwares and apps running in the background, and obviously you can end it from here as well, which is again really useful. And last but certainly not the least, we can see the list of all the startup applications over here. So we can go ahead and disable the unwanted ones to make our PC or laptop start up much faster. So yeah, this is a super high utility application. It's a must have for every PC owner in my opinion. So yeah, as I mentioned, it's not available on the Microsoft Store, but I'll make sure to drop a link down below from where you can go ahead and download this. And well, the last tool in today's video is called as Screen Styler. So this is a super intuitive application which puts all the customization tools in one place. So the first time you open this application, you should be greeted by a menu which looks like this, and by clicking the first option, you will see a few wallpapers. Now by the way, for some reason, if you do not like the default list of wallpapers, you can click on more wallpapers, and now you can essentially choose a wallpaper from the Wallpaper Heaven wallpaper library. That was a tongue twister, but by clicking on the second option, you can actually add some widgets to your home screen. And by the way, some of these widgets are interactable as well. And by the way, we also do have a list of iOS inspired widgets as well. Now apart from that, by clicking the fourth option, we can actually enable the dock, and by clicking the third icon, we can actually add apps or softwares to the dock. Now by the way, there are a couple of icon packs over here as well. And well, we obviously have settings, but more importantly, if you click on performance, you can see just how much of your computer resources this setup will be utilizing. Now by the way, if you want to apply this style, press on save, then just click on the check mark and click on install, and boom, just like that, you have a brand new desktop / home screen setup. So yeah, I personally found this app to simplify customization and sort of dumb it down. So yeah, it's a great app. Definitely give it a try. Link in the description down below. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.